welcome you all in Mathematics by Mathmedia. In this lesson, we will learn about ratio, in which we will learn how to express any two given ratios in the simplest form, including fractions. So let's start. 2 by 3 ratio 5 by 6. 2 by 3 is a fraction and 5 by 6 is also a fraction. We have to write it in the simplest form. So 2 by 3, 2 by 3. We know very well ratio means comparison by division. So this ratio symbol can be removed and I can write it 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 6 because ratio is the comparison by division. 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 6, or it can be written as 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 6. Now we have two fractions 2 by 3 and 5 by 6. In between you can see we have division symbol. When we have divide symbol between two fractions, so what we can do, how can we solve it? 2 by 3, the first fraction will be same, there will be no change. Copy down same as it is. 2 by 3, but the divide symbol will be changed into multiplication, and the rule is that when we change divide symbol into multiply, the second fraction will be reciprocal. Reciprocal means now it is written 5 by 6, it will be opposite up and down. 5 by 6 will become 6 by 5. 6 will go up and 5 will transfer down. 6 by 5. So you can see no change in the first fraction, divide symbol change into multiply, and the second fraction has become reciprocal. 5 by 6 has become 6 by 5. Now 2 into 6 will be 12. 2 multiply 6 is 12. And down denominators are 3 into 5 is 15. 12 ratio 15. 12 ratio 15 can be written as 12 by 15 can be written as in the ratio form 12 ratio symbol and 15. 12 by 15 is the same as 12 ratio 15. Now we can check these both numbers, these both integers are divisible by 3. So I can solve it by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12 and 3 by 5 is 15. So we got 4 ratio 5. These both are not divisible by any other number, any other common number. Furthermore, so our answer is 4 ratio 5. So 2 by 3 ratio 5 by 6 can be written as 4 ratio 5 in the simplest form. This is the method number 1 that I taught you just now. I can teach it by another method also. Some another methods are method number 2. Method number 2 is the same as method number 1. Student, understand these first two steps that I have done here, that 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 6. It means 2 and 6 will multiply and 3 and 5 will multiply. So what they do, the fraction is given 2 by 3 ratio 5 by 6. So student, understand this concept that both the fractions are getting divide. So they directly start with this step 2 into 6 divided by 3 into 5. So what they do, sometimes they start doing cross multiplication They skip the first two steps from this method, 2 multiply 6 and 3 multiply 5. They use the method of cross multiplication. 2 multiply 6 ratio 3 multiply 5. 3 into 5. So 2 into 6 will be 12 and 3 ratio 5 will be 15. Now we know very well both are divisible by 3. So we can write 3 times 4 is 12 and 3 times 5 is 15. 4 and 5 are not divisible by any other number furthermore. So 4 ratio 5 is the answer. One more method I can explain you so that any method that seems to be easy to you, you can follow that method. Method number 3. We have given the fractions 2 by 3 ratio 5 by 6. We can check denominators. Here denominator is 3, 2 by 3 and here denominator is 6. So we can make denominator same. What we can do, here the biggest denominator is 6, the smallest is 3. We can multiply this numerator and denominator by 2. So that it can also become the denominator is 6 here. We also want to make it 3 is 6. We can convert it into 6 by multiplying 8 by 2. But when we multiply 2 with the denominator, we will also multiply with numerator to balance it. So what is the benefit for by multiplying with 2, we will get in the form of numerator 2 into 2 is 4 and the denominator will become 6. This ratio 5 by 6. So you can see we got the same denominator. Now the concept is same. 4 by 6 ratio 5 by 6 means 4 by 6 is dividing by 5 by 6. So when we write it in division form and we take the reciprocal like the first method, this 6 will be cancelled by 6 and we will get answer 4 ratio 5. And furthermore, both numbers are not divisible by any same number. So our answer is 4 ratio 5 or 4 is to 5. So let's discuss one more method. Method number 4. In that what we can do, we have given the fractions 2 by 3 ratio 5 by 6. We can see the denominators are 3 and 6. So we can take LCM. We can find the least common multiple of the denominators. Denominator is 3 and 6. So finding least common multiple of 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We can solve it by table of 3 because both are divisible by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Again we can solve it by 2. 2 and 1 will copy down same. 2 times 1 is 2. So LCM is 3 into 2. LCM is equal to 3 multiply 2. We got answer is 6. So when we get the answer 6, we can do multiply both the fractions by the LCM. We got LCM 6. So we can multiply here both the fractions by 6. 2 by 3 multiply by 6 and 5 by 6 also multiply by 6. Multiply both the fractions by 6. So we can see here 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 times 1 is 6. 6 will be cancelled with 6, but here 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. We got here 2. So what we can check here now, we got 2 into 2, that is 4. Ratio, here we got only 5. 4 ratio 5, that is not further divisible by any same number. So our answer is 4 ratio 5. So I taught you here 4 different methods. Which methods seem to be easy to you, that method you can follow and solve the ratios in the simplest form, that includes fractions. So thanks for watching the video. In next lesson, we will learn to express ratios in the simplest form including decimals. See you in the next lesson. Bye everyone.